This is the Google Pixel 7, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the keyboard. Next, at this little top bar containing various keyboard options, tap on the cog icon, or if it is not present over here, just expand the menu by clicking on this 3 horizontal dots. So after you have successfully entered the Gboard settings page, go for the preferences section and switch on the number row toggle. And that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.